Greetings. Elder Blacklight, and salute to you. The nature of the serpent, part 2. See, in the Bible, it lays it out for you. But they tried to scramble the signal on that Bible. They tried to scramble stuff up where stuff's supposed to go. They didn't put it right where it's supposed to go. They put it somewhere else. And so it seems confusing. Because the Caucasian is the serpent. And when the serpent rapped to the black woman gave the fruit of that poison fruit to her man, and they made a child. That's us over here in America. The black man whose ancestors, mothers and fathers, was enslaved, prisoners of war. And it tells you all that in the Bible. See, it tells you that Babylon is fallen. It didn't say United States, it said Babylon. And then it gave you the mark of the beast 666. And the funny thing about it is the white man put it in your face every day. He put it in your face, but he's making like he's a good guy. But he said he's a Christian. But Christians don't mean that he's a good guy. That's his made-up religion. Now, I gave you in the last video, the last nature of the serpent, part 1, the definitions. See, the number 1 is Israel, contender with God. That's the number 1. Now remember, the Prophet Elijah Muhammad said that Yaqub made devil. And to contend with the original man. So Allah, the creator, called Yaqub Israel. Then we looked up the word Jew, said one belonging to Judah. That's not a religion. That's a tribe named after a guy named Judah. So Jesus Christ, the word Christ is a concept. Jesus is a concept. Prophet Elijah Muhammad said that his real name was Isa. Because when you go to the Bible and you go to the first book in the Bible, in the New Testament, after you get through going through all the generations of Jesus, it tells you that his name was not, they didn't call him Jesus, they called him Emmanuel. They called him Emmanuel. which means God's with us. See, all this is coded talk, to keep the truth hidden. That's what the nature of the beast is, subtle. In other words, he's a slick dude. The nature of the beast is subtle. Subtle, crafty, not obvious, skillful. You see? Mentally keen. In other words, very deceitful. Deceitful individual that could fascinate you or mesmerize you with the gift of gab or the gift of words. He tells you all of this, but yet still you got our preachers, lifting him up. You're not lifting up the original Asiatic black man, son of the Creator, son of man, the original mind. See, man and mind intertwined. Mind is the universal, intellectual, ever expanding mental mentality of your Father which art in heaven. You directly connected to that. So therefore, he gave you what's in him, because he's your Father. He gave you these powers. That's why you build the pyramids. You had to have mathematics. Now this is what you got to ask yourself. Black man, black woman. Ask yourself this. Before Christopher Columbus came over here to America, what was he going through over there in England, over there in Europe? What type of lifestyle did he have over there? And ask yourself, what type of lifestyle did your forefathers had before he was made slaves? What kind of culture was he living in? Now, over in Egypt, they got the pyramids. They found pyramids all over, everywhere. Over here, everywhere. The white man said we were savages. If we were savages, how could we build pyramids? We had supreme mathematics. We gave something to him. Algebra. Algebra is an Arabic word for al-Jabbar. Remember Kareem al-Jabbar? So, and he was black. Al-Jabbar was black, but he was a Muslim. And it says, in the dictionary, you can look up all the so-called religions, but it says Islam, submission to the will of God. Now what you don't understand about that, I don't know. You got to detach yourself from that white man if you want to survive. Once you detach yourself from that white man, you're going to link up with the vibration of the Most High. That's your protection from COVID, from everything. Now this is to be continued. I'm going to keep breaking it down for you until it begin to dawn on you. Sugar and sugar, salt is salt. If you don't understand, it ain't my fault. or overstand.